How to permanently delete your Instagram account. You actually do not have that option on your Instagram app. So what you need to do is go to a search engine and log into your Instagram. Here you can see that I have logged into Instagram from Google Chrome. At the bottom right corner, you have to click on your profile. Then go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top left corner. Now you'd want to scroll down and select Help. Then from here you have to go to Help Center. Now you have to go to the search bar and click on Delete your account. Instagram will give you options if you want to temporarily deactivate your account or if you actually want to permanently delete it. For you to do that, click on Delete your Instagram account. And now from here you have to scroll down. Then next you'd want to select Delete your account. You'll be redirected to the page where you have to pick a reason. After that is done, you just have to re-enter your password, then click on delete. Once you have done that, you would have successfully deleted your Instagram account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.